Q50 screen and Q60 of course. Q50 2013 to 2020 models, Q60 2016 to 2020 models. 13.6 inch screen, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, Qualcomm Processor, Android 11 based software, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. I'm going to show you around the screen how to install it. Let's go ahead and get started. And here it is, Infiniti Q50 Q60. Going to go ahead and remove the dashboard. We'll show you how to remove the trims, and then we'll show you how to install the Nifty City Tesla-Style Screen, which is also known as the AuCar MK6 or Mark 6 model. Let's go ahead and get this installed. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove on this piece. It's just on clips, so you'd go ahead and remove that. And then same thing for the other side. You want to go ahead and drop the sleeve of the shifter, pull out the pin towards you, just like that, and then you can go ahead and remove the gear knob shifter head. Then you want to go ahead and remove this cup holder trim, the silver piece, just like that. There's a connector at the bottom. Go ahead and disconnect that and put that aside, and then that'll expose the screw on the other side. Go ahead and remove that. Once you've removed the silver cup holder piece, there's a couple of screws that you need to remove. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you've removed all 4 screws, you can go ahead and pry this out very slowly and balanced. You might need to remove the gear knob shifter down to drive so you can pull this out. Disconnect all 4 connectors. Okay, we've disconnected the whole piece. We can now put that aside. Now we need to remove the air vents. Careful not to snap or crack any plastics. Now we need to focus on removing the screen. Remove the 2 screws. Now we can pry out the bottom screen and its trim. Easy. Go ahead and disconnect 3 connectors in total. We'll leave the head unit in there. We'll leave the AC box. We'll leave that all. We need to go ahead and remove the screen. There's 2 screws. Go ahead and pry out the screen. 2 big white connectors. 4 small colored connectors. What it should look like so far. Okay guys, so we opened up the kit and we have the screen and all the wiring. There are 3 main connectors that we have to worry about, right? This one goes underneath in the armrest, and these 2 go straight to the screen. Not hard, very easy, just like that. And this is the power harness. There we go, we have them both ready. And then for the 3rd connector is right underneath the armrest. There we go, just disconnect that and then go ahead and loop it with the Nifty City harness, and just like that. The rest are all accessories, microphones, GPS, USB ports, antennas. Some are optional, some you must connect. And then guys, go ahead and grab your factory screen again. Connect all the color connectors first, and then go ahead and connect the big connectors, and then bring down the connectors from underneath the screen. Push the screen back in. And then we have the Nifty City connectors that we need for the video and the power of the screen. And then you can go ahead and grab the screen, connect all the necessary connectors. They only fit in one spot, guys. Factory reverse camera just there. And then yeah, once you're happy with everything and you've tested everything, you can go ahead and start connecting all the accessories. All you need to do is squeeze in the Tesla screen there. It's gonna make sure it's sitting flush up the top there. And then you can go ahead and put the 2 screws here. And then once you've put the 2 screws, you can go ahead and put the air vents just like that. Cool, and then you can do it for the other side. Whilst you're still putting the vehicle back together, go ahead and try your 360 camera, your aircon, steering controls. Try all that, make sure you're happy, and if you are, you can go ahead and continue putting the car back together. I forgot to mention, if you're putting the dashboard back together and you notice there's a small mismatch in the silver lining here next to the screen. See, that one reaches the whole way, that one doesn't. You've been provided some extra plastics from Nifty City. You can just rip them off from the centerpiece or apart from each other, just like that. It's okay, it's safe to break the pieces off. So I've broken one piece off, and this is the piece that I already found. Measure it, make sure it reaches the whole way, and if it does, you should change that over next to the screen there. It's all working. Let's go ahead and try and connect Apple CarPlay. Go ahead and open the Bluetooth app connections list, and then it should appear on your phone as GT6. Allow and use CarPlay when it comes up. And there we are, it's loading now. I can go ahead and lock my phone since it's wireless. First time, it's initializing for the first time, so it may take a little longer. And there we are, Apple CarPlay as you know it. Sorry guys, I'm not going to play any audio due to copyright reasons. We've got the onboard digital equalizer. We've got the ambient light set, auxiliary. Let's try reverse camera. 360 camera should come up. There we are. The cam app is so the reverse camera comes up without needing to engage into reverse. Google Chrome, and a whole lot of other apps that you can download from the Play Store, Netflix, YouTube, SiriusXM, and other car settings. If you're still having issues, please contact Nifty City Technical Support. I hope my video was helpful today. If you need a screen like this for your Q50 or Q60, please go on over and head to www.niftycity.shop. It's not .com, it's .shop. You can go ahead and buy your screen there for your Q50 or Q60. If it's not for the Q50 or Q60, we do have Tesla-style screens for many other vehicles, makes and models and years.